Hello guys, a very warm welcome. It's Chuma here back with another video, and for today it is another one of my cleanse and style videos, this time using Activilong Paris. It's a French brand that I recently discovered through TreasureTress actually, and I've been loving these products. So for today I will be using the Fortifying shampoo, the Fortifying care mask, and the puff cream to be able to get my hair done and sorted on my regular wash day. So if you want to be able to see how I get my hair done, then stick around. All right guys, here we go. So as per usual guys, you know me and how I do my wash days. Won't bore you too much, but it's always in 4 sections. So I go in first with the Activilong Paris Fortifying shampoo. This Fortifying shampoo has got Black Castor oil as the main ingredient in it. It is free from paraben, sulfates, and silicone. Do you know what I really like about this shampoo? It's just so yummy. I have the co-wash as well. So in this video, I haven't used the co-wash, and you know me, I'm not prone to use co-wash. But even the co-wash is good. Like on those days where I don't want to have a full wash, like they have a co-wash that is just so nice. Even with this Fortifying shampoo, a little definitely does go a long way. I just work that into my hair as usual. Then I go in with my massage brush, just be able to ensure that I'm working that in, I'm massaging my scalp for stimulation and all of that good stuff. But it definitely is my go-to shampoo. Like I have been using it a lot more than other shampoos recently, and it's just a really good shampoo. It does what it says on the tin, it does what it needs to do. So I really like the shampoo. So once I work that through every section of my hair, I rinse as normal. And then I go in with the Activilong Paris Fortifying Care Mask. Oh my gosh, what can I say about this mask? Again, it contains Black Castor oil. So I think with this particular range, it's the Black Castor oil range in general. So the shampoo, the mask, and what you'll see later from the puff cream. I haven't fallen in love with a hair mask in a long time. And you know me, I've got probably about 2 or 3 hair masks that my hair just soaks up, and now I can say that the Activilong Paris Fortifying Care Mask is an addition. Anybody that has tried it will know it's such a just, what are the words that I can say to describe what this mask does? Okay, let's talk about how it penetrates into my hair, soaks right into my hair, melts right into my hair. It has got great slip, guys. My hair feels like it's being taken care of every single time. There's enough in the tub. That's what I appreciate as well, like just to be able to work through my hair. And when I go in with my tangle teaser, there's always the test of how's the tangle teaser going to smooth through. And especially if I've got tangles and all of that stuff. It's definitely in my top 5 of best deep conditioning masks I've tried to date. Definitely in my top 5, I can say, because I am running out of the deep conditioner. Like that's how much I've used it. I'm almost done. I have to re-up, guys. I really have to re-up. So that's why I'm so happy that Activilong is going to be at the TreasureTress pop-up, because like I need the deep conditioner in my life. I don't think you guys understand. And I've seen other people try different products as well from Activilong, this particular range, and I cannot wait to get my hands on the other products. And I'm so happy that it will be payday so that I can actually get some stuff. I need to re-up. You know my usual regular with my deep conditioning. If you wanted a 101 on how to deep condition, there's a link above so you can check that out. Just be able to see how my routine kind of runs. So I won't talk too much about this because you kind of know. I just sit under the deep conditioning cap for about 15 minutes and then I'm good to go. I come back after I have rinsed out the deep conditioner and my hair is feeling so good, well cleansed, well conditioned, ready to go straight into styling. For this particular styling day, it was pretty late, didn't want to do much to my hair. So all I did was I just used the Activilong Paris Puff Cream Soufflé, which is a yummy moisturizer. It is set to soften, nourish, and hydrate my hair. So all I did was as instructed on the tin. I just worked that through my hair in sections as I normally would. Didn't use too much for each section. I just made sure that it was covered. I then grabbed the Activilong wide tooth comb, which is a wooden comb. It's pretty cool. Like, I really like this comb. It's just different. I like having different things, you know, to be able to play with. And the fact that it's functional as well. It's a comb and it does what it does. I then go ahead and grab my Black Castor oil just to be able to seal everything in, make sure that my hair is locked in with that moisture, because as we know, kinky coily curls need to have that moisture locked in as much as possible. I have high porous hair, so you know, the moment that moisture comes in, it's ready to come back out again. So I just need to make sure that I keep it well hydrated and moisturized. So going in with that oil just helps to seal that in and keep in that moisture a little bit longer. And guys, I honestly do that for every single section, so I won't bore you too much talking too much in this video about it. That's all I go ahead and do to be able to actually style in this way. And once I'm done with the moisturizing process, so like I said before, going in with the Activilong Paris puff cream and then combing through with the Activilong comb and then applying the Black Castor oil just to be able to lock in that moisture, I grab one strand from my afro twist hair. And this is a discovery that I made. I actually got this tip from Nefuno and Naturally Afro Sis. So she was using tights one day and I was like, instead of using like, you know, the elastic bands, the elongated elastic bands that I was using that gave me my bald spots, let me just find a different way to start doing my puffs. And so I discovered that if I use the afro twist strand, like just one strand from the packs that I usually get, it actually like holds my hair in, and it's actually better because it replicates hair. And so when I tie it round, like I don't need pins or anything like that, it kind of locks itself in nicely and I can adjust it to how tight I want it to be. And ever since I discovered this neat trick, guys, this is all I've been doing to do my puffs, you know. This is how I've been doing my puffs, using these afro twist strands, and it's actually worked really, really well. I got to share this tip at the Nyla event that I recently was helping at, just answering some questions. They had like a blogger section where, you know, a lot of people could come up and ask questions, and I actually had this style in, or a similar style in, and I actually got to demo how I actually do my puff in this way. So it was actually cool to be able to do that live, but thought I would share this handy tip with you guys as well, for anybody who's like trying to find an alternative of how to do their puffs if they're finding that their bands that they're using isn't working out, or anything else that they're using isn't working out. So I hope that will be a handy tip for somebody. More details will be available below in terms of the hair that I'm using, that I'm talking about. But that's honestly something that I have discovered that's been working for me, and I probably won't change it for a long while because it works well. And I like the freedom of it. I like the fact that I can adjust it how I want, and I don't need to use pins. That's the great part about it. You literally just tuck in the hair at the end and you're good to go. And that is the final look, guys, using Activilong Paris. From shampoo, deep conditioner to the puff cream. I just finessed my edges a little bit, you know, because you need to finesse your edges just a little bit. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do. Any comments? Have you guys used Activilong? How have you found it? What has worked for you? All of that in the comments below. Of course, if this is the first time that you're checking me out, or you're returning and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you never miss a beat. Also, turn on the auto notification bell. That way you know every single time I post a video. All right, guys, and until next time, bye.